What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going to be doing a quick unboxing of the DPP Titanium Adapter plate for a Glock here. So this is for mounting a Holosun optic. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. So first thing here, again, this is the DPP Titanium Adapter plate. For this specifically fits the Glock 43X or the 48 MOS. So only those two models. And again, it has to be the MOS models because you have to have the optic cut slide. And then this is going to convert it to a Holosun 407K or 507K footprint to put on there. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed here. Simple packaging, nice little neat plastic box it comes in, and it just comes with a couple necessities. So it gives us 3 screws, and it looks like we do have some blue Loctite on them right out of the box that we can use. Then as well, we have the wrench to take off our plate, and then as well probably install these screws with our optic. So we can use that. Looks like it might be a Torque one or an Allen. And then, of course, the main thing we have is our adapter plate. It's got their company name on it, as well as then the correct footprint for our Holosun 407 or 507K. And then the last thing in here, it looks like we have a instruction manual here, but pretty easy install. So you do have some instructions here with a couple steps if needed. All right, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy on here so that way we can mount an optic. First thing, always make sure your gun's clear. It's important whenever you're working on your firearms. And as shown, this is a Glock 43X MOS, so I have the plate on here that we are going to remove. Again, 43X. This also works on a 48 MOS as well. So all we're going to do is take our little Allen wrench or torque wrench that was provided and get these off. All right, I went ahead and removed both of them, and then your plate should pop right off here as seen, and we can set that aside, keep it in your toolbox in case you want to use it down the road again. And yeah, now we're all set to use our adapter plate, so that way we can mount the optic to the top here. All right, I went ahead and just took a rag and kind of cleaned up all the nice juices that were on top here, so that way we got a clean surface. And now the next thing we do is just grab our adapter plate that we unboxed here, make sure it lines up. It should fit snugly on, which it does. Double check both sides, make sure it's flush, and awesome. The thing I like about this is it's a pretty low profile. It adds just a fraction of height, and then it is the correct footprint for our Holosun that we want to mount on. So with that, that's it. Now all you need to do is throw your Holosun optic on top and then screw it into these 2 holes, and you should be all set. I'll have another video on that here soon. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.